What's up, Splash family? You guys, we're back with another one, and you guys, we have a treat for you guys. We've been waiting so long to install our brand new HOROW K2 semi-frameless glass door in our basement. So this is the sliding glass door right here, you guys. It looks beautiful. We cannot wait to get it installed. We've been waiting literally for weeks now to get this thing installed. All right, so this is the box. Well, this is the shower door outside of the box. As you guys can see, it doesn't look like it has that many pieces. I believe these are the side and the bottom pieces to attach to the fiberglass. And this is the box, the parts box, and the glass down here. So we're just basically getting everything unpacked. I'm out of the box now. Very, very excited, you guys. Long time coming for this moment. Thank you so much, HOROW, for this wonderful shower door. Can't wait to get it installed and use it throughout the duration of us living in this house. All right, so I got my part box.
We got 55.5.
Okay.
See that?
Okay.
So that would be the first step that we're on.
All right. All right, you guys, so the shower is 55.5 and the minimum is 56. So we have to improvise, and we have to cut a small portion off for it to be able to fit into the shower. So that's what we're basically doing right now. We just did all the measurements. Perfect.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I hold this part right here.
Okay, cool. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. But when you don't have the correct measurements on your shower door or whatever, you just have to kind of, you kind of have to figure it out and engineer your own pieces and cut it accordingly to make everything fit, which it won't damage the product or anything like that, as long as you know what you're doing. To go ahead and get it done the right way, because this is a beautiful shower door and we have to have it installed properly. Oh yeah, these are some very nice doors.